A John Deere D110 that just clicks when you turn the key is almost always caused by a dead battery, loose battery terminal connections, or a failed starter solenoid. Replacing the solenoid or tightening the connections restores power to the starter instantly. The rapid or single clicking sound comes directly from the starter solenoid trying to engage, but failing to send enough amperage to the starter motor. Start by checking the battery voltage with a multimeter. A healthy battery must read at least 12.6 volts. Anything lower means the battery needs a charge or a full replacement. If the battery is fully charged, inspect the battery terminals. Corrosion or loose nuts prevent the high current needed for cranking the engine. Clean the posts with a wire brush and tighten the 10mm nuts securely to ensure a solid ground and power connection. When the battery and connections are good, the starter solenoid is the culprit. The solenoid is mounted on the side of the engine block or near the battery compartment. You can test it by carefully bridging the two large metal posts with the metal shaft of a screwdriver. If the engine cranks when bridging the posts, the solenoid has failed internally and must be replaced. Disconnect the negative battery cable first. Remove the wiring harness from the solenoid, unbolt the unit from the frame, and install the new part. Reconnect the wires securely and the mower will start normally.